Announcing San Isidro Fire Station hotline numbers TM 0935-636-069 and Smart 0946-475-1370. We're going to listen the discussion of Sir Edwin C. Monteron discussing the importance of the fire safety and its demonstration.
So, alam natin ang location ng fire extinguishers. Regardless kung anong size yun, then smoke conditions, ano ba ito, alarm sounded. May fire alarm tayo dito, no? May fire alarm tayo dito. So, functional yan, no? So, okay. Dapat gagawan natin ng paraan yan. Habang mamaya, gumagawa tayo flight, ano din tayo dito sa ano? Oo. So, dahan-dahan natin gawin yan. Okay na po lumago. Again,
Instruction!
ano ha? Kabante ka, pang-squeeze ha? I-squeeze.
To use the extinguisher, you need to pull off the safety tag to break the seal.
Tanggal na siya.
Then pull out the pin. Test that it works by pointing it away from the fire and squeeze the handle until the extinguishing agent comes out. Then you need to aim the nozzle at the base of the fire and squeeze the handle. You should use rapid sweeping motions to force the flames to the far edge until all the flames are out. These extinguishers have a range of about 8 meters.
Ayaw,